Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Square. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Square application on your device. And once you open it up, you will see the create account as well as the sign in button. Tap on create account to begin creating your new account and you will be asked to enter your email address. Just type in your email address that you prefer to use and click on continue. Once you click on the continue button, you will be asked to create your password. Just type in the password that you wish to use for your account and click on continue. You will then be required to choose your location. Click on the drop-down menu and select your location if it has not already been selected. Then click on the agreement and privacy policy checkbox and click on the continue button. Now you will be asked to confirm your email address. Tap on the confirm button and now this will begin with creating your account. Just wait for a little while until all of your account resources are gathered and your home page is prepared. And once your account has been set up, the Square application will directly load up and you will be signed up to your brand new account. You will need to allow various access in order to use the application smoothly, so you can go ahead and provide the access that is required. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Square. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.